In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to customize your crosshair in Fortnite on the PlayStation 4. Now, Fortnite on PS4 doesn't give you the full range of crosshair customization like you'd get on PC. But there are still a few settings you can mess with to make your reticle feel more personal. So first, just open Fortnite and head to the main settings menu. You can do that by hitting the options button on your controller. Once you're in the settings, scroll over to the Game UI tab. It's the one with the little monitor icon. From there, scroll down until you see the reticle options. Here's where you can turn the reticle on or off, change the opacity, and adjust a few other things like damage numbers and hit indicators. These little tweaks can help make your aiming experience a bit clearer or just better match how you like to play. Now, just a quick heads up. If you're trying to get a fully custom crosshair with different shapes, colors, or dynamic changes, that's not really possible on PS4 unless you use third-party tools. But I'd really recommend avoiding that. Using external software or mods can get you banned, so it's best to just work with the settings Fortnite gives you.